Wednesday, February 6th. We're here now in the karaoke metro station section of Rio. This is a street act here in the area. Also, there's some other street acts which I've showed you. As you can see, the town is now starting to get more excited about the coming carnival celebrations. This guy right here is like a completely different type of act. I haven't seen this type of act in all my world trips. This is the Lapa area of Rio. Again, this is the area which has a tremendously great nightlife and is very active in the evenings. Obviously, during carnival time, it's going to be even more active. Back in the Centro district of town, I just wanted to show you this little girl here. She's running this street stand. It's not unusual to see very young children working here.